What a great day to create a tablescape. Hello everyone, today is Tablescape Tuesday. Can you believe it? It is officially summertime. It has been a long time coming, and I'm so glad that we are here on today. And today I am sharing with you a very special tablescape, and that is our Father's Day Tablescape. We will be celebrating our fathers in a few weeks, and today I just wanted to share with you and give you some inspiration as to how to decorate your tabletop for Father's Day. So this table setting will have just a touch of glam, but most of all with a masculine flair. So I'm really excited to share this tablescape with you. I believe it's one of my best. So if you'd like to see this tablescape, stay tuned. So folks, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. I'd like to display all of the items that I'm going to be using for my tablescape before I do the tablescape. So here you are seeing some of the items that I'm going to be using in this particular tablescape. And again, for those of you that are new here, I hope that you will enjoy this video. And if so, please consider to subscribe. I would gladly love to have you join the Design to a T family. So glad to have you here. And to my subscribers who have been with me with some time, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for stopping in once again to watch my videos. I'm so glad to have you here. those of you that have not seen my Mother's Day Tablescape, I will have an iCard listed above, and be sure to check that out as well. In that video, I did share a poem, a Mother's Day poem, and today I would also like to share with you a Father's Day poem. And I hope that this will fill your heart with joy. And so, throughout your life, He's there for you in countless little ways, to hold your hand and cheer you on, to share His love and faith. He's family, friend, and confidant, all rolled into one. Protector and provider, a shoulder to lean on. He fills your life with laughter. He's there to see you through. He loves you just the way you are, no matter what you do. He is a special gift from God. His love, it's known no end. Even if He weren't your dad, you'd choose Him as your friend. The world is such a better place and happier by far when you have a special dad to love with all your heart. And this was written by, it just says Natasha. And so I just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was a special poem to express how a child feels about their father. And so I would just like to say Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers that may be watching this video. I pray that you would have a very, very special day. God bless you all. I have enjoyed creating this tablescape, and I hope that you all will have a great week. And I just wanted to remind you that if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. And don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.